At the four-way, we're going to make a right turn.
So right here?
Yep.
Good. 1, 2.
Yeah, right to the top. At the stop sign up there, we're going to make a right turn. That's weird. A bunch of people parked there.
Why?
I don't know.
Something must be going on.
There's your sidewalk over there. You can bring your
Go
nose
all
of
the
your
way
view.
up there?
Yeah, and you just kind of stay close to the curb here.
Okay.
There.
Didn't know it was far from the stop sign.
Yeah, that's good. So now you got a
2.
good clear view. Plus, too, when you're staying close to the curb, you're following the curb line.
Yeah.
Prevents you from turning too wide.
Yeah.
And it also communicates what your intention is, because you're angled for the right turn. It looks like you're going to make a right turn.
Yeah.
It's further evidence besides your signal light, the position of your vehicle, how it's positioned, the way your tires are angled too, is evidence of what your intention is. Rolling. They changed the speed from 60 to 50 because in the wintertime it gets a little slippery around the intersections and you're going downhill towards a set of lights.
Yeah.
So it just, just think yellow light. If it turns yellow at about the beginning of the white line where I snap my fingers, if the light turned yellow, you'd keep on going.
Yeah.
You'd be at the point of no return. We're gonna, at the traffic lights up here, we're gonna turn right.
Okay. Can't even see. Oh, this is messy.
Yeah, it's a little bumpy
What
here.
is this?
You got her. This used to be my school over here, Saint Denis.
Yeah.
Now it's a bunch of apartments.
French.
Yeah, I went to Saint Denis and then I went to Saint Dominique